Hi folks, welcome back to Anybody Can Code. Today we will discuss from the left. Yeah, we were discussing Java, what is Java, how to start Eclipse, how to download Eclipse, all the things. So whoever watching this video first time, they will be I will request them to have the look on the previous videos because I will be like starting from there. You can understand from here also, but the prerequisites are like a little bit necessary for the coding, like you to understand the proper flow. So please do watch the previous video, and thanks a lot whoever watching the previous video and whoever subscribed the channel. So today we will discuss what are the data types and what are the variables, how to declare variable, local variable, static variable, and global variable. So please do watch till the end of the video, and please do like, share, and subscribe the channel. So it will be like I will be feeling more enthusiastic and more motivation to make new videos also. So I I am planning to have I have planned to like start in different languages like Python and C++ and other tools also like Photoshop and Premiere Pro also. So please do subscribe the channel for the recent tools and new programming language, and please do share among your friends who are struggling, like who are little bit struggling in the coding journey. So let's start. Let's go to the computer screen and start what is data types and all. Hi, welcome to the computer screen. We will discuss what is data type, variables, and operator today. So first I will say what is data type. So for starting, what is data type? First, I have to say what are the variables. Let's suppose, let me discuss what is the need of like this thing in programming. Yeah. First, I will say in programming. Yeah. Why do we need variables? Let's suppose we read a code how to find a leap year. So we have to write a code. So if we will write a code for finding 1949 is a leap year or not, then we will, if I will hard code this, means in the code we will write 1949 in somewhere and divided 4 and have the logic, then it will only test 1949. And again we have to go and change in the code where the 1941 is present and find it. But if it will put that in a variable, so variable is like a container which will have some data. Data may be a number, a float digit, a character, a string, or array. So this is the variable. So variable means which can vary, which can store any entity. So in the programming, the variable is more useful because in programming we are traversing the input to output. In this process, we need various data, various things which have to be stored in somewhere or which can be used later, which have to print, which have to get input. So these variables are necessary for storing the data. Variable is a memory block which can store the data. Then what is data type? Data type is a thing which declares what is the variable type should be. Why this thing, why data type is that? We can make a large container and then put anything into it. So why there is a declaration of the data type? In Python there is no declaration of data type. It is more much more advanced because data type can be internally declared in the Python. But in Java, what is data type? Why data type is declared? Let's suppose you have to carry some amount of the sand to one location. If the sand will be small, you cannot carry it by the big truck. It will be wastage of space. So for stopping the wastage of space, we are declaring the data type. And if the data type will be declared, then the RAM also knows this much space is available for me during code. I can do other things on other space also. So for proper space management, we are declaring the data type, and by declaring data type, we also can constrain something like we want numbers for this type of functionality in the programming. So we can declare the int data type there, and we can find that it only accepts the number. So you can have constraints in the during the coding. So there are two types of data type, mainly primitive and non-primitive. Primitive are the basic data types, means you may have known this, what is boolean, what is numerical. Boolean, these are primitive, and non-primitives are constructed by both primitive multi-primitive data types. There is another data type, object data type. So it is consistent of the of. When we will discussing wrapper class, then we will discuss all these things. How this object and how these all classes and how these data types are interlinked to the objects also. So now for the basic, data types are two types, primitive and non-primitive. In primitive, there are two types of data types. One is Boolean and another numerical. Numerical, again two types: character, Boolean, character and integral. In integral, there are integers. The integers are byte, short, int, long, and another is float, double. Boolean means there are true and false. You may have known in math there is a Boolean function. All digital logics like and or are, these things are like Boolean. Character means A, B, C, D, the character and alphanumerics. Integer means simple integer 1, 2, 3, 4, and floating one means decimal integers. So and Boolean is one character in time. Why this is byte sort? This is according to their memory allocations. Means how much size they have in the memory, how much digit they can store. So it is different for different programming language, but the maximum programming languages which have data types may have this type of data types only, but the memory allocation size different according to machine. So these are the fundamental types of data type. You once you will go through some you like pages or some documents, you can get to know about more this. But this is a fundamental. You can work for this, having this idea only. Yeah, these are the memory allocations. Yeah, these are memory sizes. Means how much size. This is 1 byte, 2 byte character, byte, 1 byte, 4 byte long. These are like integer type. These are like floating type. Yeah. Once you pause the video and go through this table, and these are like default values of that. And what are the variable types of variable? It is these types of variable is according to the scope of variable. Once I will going through some code, you will better understand what is scope of something. First, you can listen to words. I will be discussing in this in the proper some example coding. So there are three type of variables: static, local, and instant. Java is a class concept. Then all the things are like class. So static variable is generalized for all the class. Local variable is have scope, means it is accessible only in that method which is declared. And instant variable is an instance variable which is declared in a main method. So once I will be going through the code, then you will get this to know what are the variables. And yeah, this is the body of the method is called local variable. Instance is the inside the class, but outside the body of the method is instant variable, like main method, or other static variables under the method, that is an instance variable. It cannot declare as a static, because if you will declare it a static, then it is a static variable. So go pause the video, go through these documents once, then we will discuss. Then what are the operators? There are different operators. Yeah. So there are multiple operators like arithmetic operators, that is plus, minus, multiplication, division. There are logical operators and or logical and logical, or not equal to, all the things. There are exceptional operators, there are different type of operators. Once you will go and use search for the operators, you will get to know about that operator. There are unary operators, there are binary operators. These are basic theory part, don't much needed in the coding. You basically know it's some arithmetic operators and majorly logical operators to do coding, because most of the coding has real life scenarios, so lot of the things are doing in the arithmetic and logical things. So I I will be having one photo of the precedence of operator, which operators has like more precedence and all. You can search in Google also. Yeah, I will provide a link in the description to how what are the operators and all. So you go to that link and you will know about that thing. So these are the fundamental theories about uh, what are the data types, operators, and variables. We in the next video we will see it in the code, because right now it is too lengthy to discuss what is like operators, and in the next video I will be showing in the Eclipse what are the data types and how to declare it, how do it looks in Eclipse IDE. So, and another thing is typecasting. In the next video we will discuss what is typecasting also. So, and another basic code like a leap year concept, and all. Uh, so leap year, yeah, I think, yeah, leap year coding. So we will discuss how to find a leap year logic in Java. So thanks for watching till the end of the video. Have a great day, and please do like, share, and subscribe, and please do comment in the video whatever suggestions you need, whatever improvements you need, whatever suggestion you have. So I will work on that, and I will be uploading better videos for the next time. So, and every time you have patience and do whatever coding I do in the video by your own. At last I will say bye. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.